Boost your business revenue and customer base using these video secrets even during an economic crash. I bet as a business owner, you want to drastically increase the amount of money your business or brand makes. What if I told you that your business could quickly and easily earn more income, revenue, and profits? And do you know that it's very possible even during an economic crash? Okay, listen up. Your business or brand will make more money even in COVID-19 season if you can do all or even just any one of these. 1. Increase the strength of your brand. 2. Increase your brand's visibility and exposure. 3. Increase your sales. And 4. Increase your market share. Yeah, I know. At the moment, they sound like a lot of impossible tasks to accomplish. But who says they have to be? In a little bit, I'll show you exactly how to get those accomplished. But first, consider this. If you could successfully achieve even any one of these, your business or brand will suddenly gain increased income opportunities, increased business opportunities, increased partnership opportunities, increased customer base, increased cash flow, increased business revenue, and in turn, increased profit margin. I believe as a business owner, you are aware that any one of these will immediately transform and vitalize the overall financial health of your business. So, as I said earlier, it's very possible and also very easy to achieve. Thousands of our customers and partners are doing so right now, even as we speak. In fact, when I tell you, you'll be surprised at how easy it is. All right, here's the big review. Videos, especially those that are 5 minutes or less, they can help you increase the strength of your brand's visibility and exposure, your sales, and your market share. In turn, achieving this will help your business gain increased income opportunities, increased business opportunities, increased partnership opportunities, increased customer base, increased cash flow, increased revenue, and in turn, increased profit margins. And these are what any business owner wants for their business. Consumers turn to video for a multitude of reasons, for entertainment or amusement, education, relaxation, or even social knowledge. And your business can create videos in any of these genres to connect with them and introduce your products. For example, Facebook pages demonstrate a 33% increase in engagement with the use of video, and embedded videos can increase traffic by up to 55%. Videos provide powerful emotional connections and a visual form of communication. They're easily digestible, convenient, efficient, and instantly shareable. An increase in prevalence of video usage over image and text is owing to its more engaging nature. So, what can video do for your business? 1. The showcase of a product or service. 2. Informing interested parties about your company. 3. Distribution across multiple platforms. 4. Enhance web traffic and sales performance. And 5. Provide an opportunity for viral distribution. So, why do videos work so well? Video builds trust and believability 5 times faster than text alone. This is because it taps into the innate human nature to connect, while it eliminates the consequence of our inherent lazy nature while leveraging on our love for entertainment. Okay, in simple English, 1. Using videos in your business allows you to humanize the buyer experience as you connect and engage directly with your customers. Hearing a human voiceover in a text based motion graphic video or seeing a human being in a traditional video goes a long way in helping your customers identify with your business. They end up viewing your business video and by extension your business as a friend, having a lively chat with them. 2. Since most humans are inherently lazy, it's much preferred that you quickly tell us about your product or company in a short video than expect us to read hundreds of words talking about you or your product. We might love you, but don't know you enough to invest that much time, energy, and attention. 3. Because most of your promotional or explainer videos are professionally created to be engaging and are also short with an average of 2 minutes and with the longest being 5 minutes, majority of your customers will welcome them as a much needed entertainment break in their busy schedules. Hence, you get to entertain them while informing them of your products and services that offer real solutions to their pressing problems. So, in summary, using videos to interact with customers and stakeholders in your business causes them to trust you in a short time frame and allows more strangers to do business with you. This increases the strength of your brand's visibility and exposure, your sales, and your market share. And these in turn mean that your customer base, cash flow, business revenue, profit margin, increased opportunities, business opportunities, and partnership opportunities will go up drastically. It's a win-win for everybody, for you and your customers, and to an extent for us. How to quickly and easily produce quality videos that are engaging and professionally made. Remember, I told you earlier that making quality engaging video is a breeze and won't disrupt your current business processes. That's where WB DevWorld Video Work Services has got you covered. Look at it from this angle. In this age and times, it's essential for every business to have at least 3 professionally made 2 to 5 minutes videos in their arsenal to engage and connect with their customers and stakeholders. 1. A video that clearly states the problems and pain points that validates the existence of your business. The video should as well reveal how your product and service is solving their problem. You can create multiple videos if your business is solving several problems for the customers. 2. A video that tells your business's story, revealing what prompted the creation of your first product and hence your business. It might as well show some of your achievements and customer feedbacks. And 3. A video that explains the solution your product or service is offering, making sure to elaborate on features that make your product well equipped to solve their problem. Also include some guidelines on how to access and purchase your product. So now it's time to take action. WV DevWorld VideoWorks Services helps your business or brand produce short videos to immediately start engaging and reach new customers in order to continue growing your business. There's no need to employ more staff or set up a video production department. We cover all that on your behalf, allowing you to focus on what you do best. So to grow your market share and keep your business off the live support machine, subscribe to our YouTube channel and visit worldbankers.com/devworld to learn more and get started today.
WB DevWorld, making impossibilities possible.